Hey, okay, real talk. What if I told you that you could have a podcast channel, a talking head host, a whole entire content brand, and you never had to press record on yourself once? No studio, no ring light, no, my hair looks terrible today. None of it. What you're watching right now is proof that this is possible. I am an AI avatar, a digital twin, and I am hosting this entire video for you. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own AI twin podcast host that actually looks human, sounds human, and, most importantly, builds you a real audience. Whether you want to run a faceless YouTube channel, launch a podcast, build something while keeping your privacy, or you're already a creator and you want to reduce burnout and increase your content, this is your starting point, so let's get into it, Buttercup. Here's the thing a lot of people get wrong. They think audiences won't connect with an AI host, but here's what the data actually says. Views, watch time, subscribers. They don't care who is talking, they care about what you're saying and how you make them feel. Some of the fastest growing channels on YouTube right now are 100% AI generated. Faceless, digital hosts, talking heads just like this one. And the reason they go viral? Because the content is good, the hook is strong, the information hits. You don't need to be a tech person, you don't need to know how to code. You just need the right tools and the right workflow, which is exactly what we're going to break down today. And honestly, if you want to skip ahead and just dive straight into learning this properly, with updated strategies, new tools, community support, I teach everything inside Digital Muse Academy on School. It's only $9 a month and the link is in the description. Seriously, it's less than a coffee. But let's keep going, because I want to show you how this all works first. Okay, so let's talk tools. There are a few different layers to building a viral AI podcast host, and they each have a job to do. Layer 1. Your AI avatar. This is the visual, the face. This is possibly one of the most important parts. If you get this wrong, then everything else down the line won't have as much of an impact. Because here's the thing. There's a difference between an AI avatar that looks interesting and one that makes someone stop scrolling because they genuinely can't tell if it's a real person. And that second one, that's what we're going for. The secret is in how you prompt for your host's image. The lighting, the skin texture, the micro expressions, the background blur, the eye detail. These are the things that push your avatar from obviously AI into, wait, is that a real person? And I'm not going to make you figure that out from scratch because we already made an entire video walking you through exactly how to prompt for a hyper-realistic host image, step by step. That video is linked right up there on your screen. Go watch it after this one, because it will genuinely change the quality of everything you create. The difference between an uncanny, plastic-looking avatar and one that builds real trust with an audience, it comes down to knowing what to ask for, and that video shows you exactly how. Now, layer 2, your script engine. ChatGPT or Claude are your best friends here. You're going to use them to write every script, hooks, talking points, calls to action. The better your prompt, the better your script, the more viral your video. My pro tip, write out a script prompt. This prompt will outline exactly how long you want the script to be and the tone of your host. Is she witty, conversational, relatable, professional? You should also add any other specific quirks you want every video to have, like a slogan or CTA. Save the prompt and reuse every time you script for a new topic. This way, your videos will always be in sync and your branding will be undeniable. On to layer 3, your AI voice. Even if you use a visual avatar, the voice has to sound natural. Our recommended tool is 11 Labs. They truly offer the gold standard. You can clone your own voice in minutes or choose from a library of incredibly realistic voices. Major tutorials on this in our school community. The difference between a robotic-sounding podcast host and a bingeable one, 90% of the time, it's the voice. The fourth layer is video creation,
where precision meets seamless AI generation.
Once you've done the other steps, it's time to put everything together and make your perfect video. You need to create a hyper-realistic digital human that moves, lip syncs, and reacts naturally. Hey Jen is honestly my favourite right now because the quality is wild. And lastly, editing and production. You can use tools like CapCut to add captions, effects, sounds, overlays, and anything to make your content specific to your brand. Now look, I know that's a lot of tools, and if you're sitting there thinking, where do I even start? I've got you. We put together a free AI starter guide that maps out exactly which tools to use, in what order, and how to get your first AI avatar video created. The link is in the description. Download it, it's completely free, and it will save you hours of confusion. Okay, now let's dig into my top 3 tips to making your video look freaking awesome and potentially going viral. This is where most people mess up. They create an AI avatar, slap it on a plain background, use a robotic script, and wonder why nobody watches. Going viral isn't about being AI or not AI. It's about production quality and storytelling. Let me give you the 3 things that separate a viral AI podcast host from one that gets 2 views. 1, your hook. The first 3 seconds decide everything. Your AI host needs to open with something that stops the scroll. A bold statement, a surprising fact, a question that makes someone think, wait, what? The script you feed your avatar matters just as much as how it looks. 2, your set and background. Don't use a plain white wall. Use a lifestyle background, a home studio setup, a trendy aesthetic space, a blurred bokeh background. Tools like HeyGen let you drop your avatar into beautiful preset environments. This instantly makes your content look professional. 3, your pacing and script length. Podcast-style talking head content works best between 6 and 12 minutes on YouTube. Long enough to get watch time, short enough to not lose people. And your avatar should speak like a person. Contractions, pauses, personality. Write the script conversationally. Don't write an essay. Write how you talk. So now that your avatar looks great, what do you actually talk about? Here's the formula that works for AI podcast channels right now. Hook to story, to value, to call to action. Your hook grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. Your story makes them care, even if it's a case study, a transformation, a controversy, or a what if. Your value gives them something real, a tip, a strategy, a tool, something actionable, and your call to action tells them what to do next. The best performing AI podcast niches right now: personal finance, side hustles, mental health and mindset, relationships, tech and AI, true crime narration, and obviously, content creation itself. Pick a niche where you have something to say, or where you can curate and present existing information in a fresh way. Your AI avatar becomes the face of that brand. Consistent, always available, and never has a bad camera day. And real quick, if you haven't grabbed that free AI starter guide yet, do that now. It's linked in the description and it includes the tools list. It's completely free, 0 excuses. Let's talk about the part everyone actually wants to know. How does this make money? There are a few ways creators are monetizing their AI podcast channels right now. YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're monetized. Your AI host can generate content consistently without burnout. That consistency is what builds a monetized channel faster. Then brand deals, sponsorships, and UGC partnerships. Brands are actively looking for AI avatar creators to make content for them. You pitch a brand, they send you talking points. Your avatar records the content. No face reveal. No personal brand required, just results. Digital products and courses, your AI host becomes the marketing machine for whatever you're selling. An ebook, a guide, a course, a community. Affiliate marketing, your avatar recommends products, includes links in the description, earns commission, it's passive income with an AI face doing the talking. These are just a few of the top monetization strategies we teach in the Academy. We've actually compiled a list of 100 proven business ideas. You can start with less than £300. The link to that is also in the description. This is a real business model, and more creators are building it every single day. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need a production crew or a fancy studio. You need a strategy, the right tools, and a willingness to start. AI avatar content creation is not the future. It's right now. And the creators who figure this out early are the ones who are going to be way ahead of everyone else in 12 months. Now, if you're serious about this, I want to personally invite you to come learn inside Digital Muse Academy on School. For just $9 a month, you get access to updated step-by-step training on AI avatar creation, monetization strategies, a community of creators who are actively doing this, not just talking about it. We update the content regularly because this space moves fast, and I want to make sure you're always working with what's actually working right now. $9, that is genuinely less than most people spend on a Spotify subscription. And what you learn inside could help you build a content brand that generates real income without ever showing your face if you don't want to. The link to join is in the description. Come say hi. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment telling me what niche you're thinking of building your AI podcast host in, and subscribe because I have a lot more of this coming. I'll see you in the next one.